Di mga kamatiks, welcome to my YouTube channel. Our topic for today is about closure property. Closure property. Two integers, a and b, that are added and multiplied remain as integers. Kuha niyo ba? So, this formula para mas malalo niyo pang matutunan. So, a plus b is equal to integer. Dapat, ang answer nila is integer pa rin. So, integers, anong integers? Whole number. A times b is equal to integer. Dapat integers pa rin siya. So, now, example. 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. So, integer. So, closure siya. Dahil integer yung equivalent of this given. Next. 3 times 5. Integer na. Kailangan din, yung nandito at nandito is integer pa rin. 3 times 5 is equal to 15. So, integer ang equivalent. So, matatawag natin siyang closure property siya. This is the closure property of addition and this is the closure property of division. Ang tanong, pwede ba ang subtraction and division? So, next po siya. Closure property. Is the set of integer closed under subtraction? A minus b is equal to integer. Malalaman natin yan. 3 minus 5. So, negative 2. Integer ba ang negative 2? Whole number ba siya? Yes! So, matatawag natin ang subtraction na whole. Matatawag natin yung subtraction na closure property. So, palitan rin natin dito ha. 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. Integer ba yung 2? Yes! So, matatawag natin, so ang subtraction ay pwede din siyang, matasabi din natin na closure property. Pero depende pa rin yan, dapat integer pa rin yun. Kailangan, integer dito, para matawag na closure property. Ang tanong, ang division, pwede ba? So, example, magsabi tayo ng 16 divided by 4 is equal to 4. So, integer. Pwede naman, di ba? Pwede siya tawag ng closure property. Pero what if sabihin natin 4 divided by 16. Pag sinabi natin 4 divided by 16 is equal to 1/2. Integer ba yung 1/2? Di ba hindi yung integer 1/2 dahil ang integer is a whole number. So, ang ibig sabihin, ang division is not a closure. Hindi siya belong sa closure property. Okay, gets yun na ba? Okay, kung nakuha nyo na, yun lamang yung ituturo ko ngayong araw. So, kung gusto pa kayo mayroong matutunan, please like and subscribe.